Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don advise youth to look beyond political affiliation and support the best governorship candidate for the forthcoming election for the state. Say the support for the best candidate don become imperative to sustain the developmental strides of Governor Obaseki-led administration for the best interest of the state. The Deputy Governor gave this advice when he hosts the representative of National Association of Edo Students, wey give am award of excellence as an icon of true leadership and patronship. While they praised the qualities of the People's Democratic Party candidate Dr. Aswa Ighodalo, the Deputy Governor come talk say no controversy say the PDP candidate na the best among the other candidates wey get eye for the #1 citizen seats of the state. Omobayo Cautions say belle sweet am over the support Aswa Ighodalo dey get from the obedience movement and say the group dey print campaign materials and face caps to support the PDP campaign organization. Omobayo Cautions talk say,
if you look at your ages, as students, none of you is more than 32. So if you do an average between maybe 20 to 25, if I'm correct, and the governor has done this deliberately, when there was anytime there's a reason to empower the youth, you see him doing it. So I think we have to thank him for that. Just now, when we had the space for the deputy governor, he thought it wise that the youth of your age, of your orientation, the youth that believe in what you also believe in, that do what you also do, should hold such an exalted in #2 position. I think it's something that is worthy of commendation. The essence of this is to see how we can work together, because we know your strength. National Association of Edo State Students. The forthcoming election is all about Edo State. It's a local election, and we know the implication politically and what you stand for. So, as a politician, that is the first strength. While you are paying me a visit, I'm also thinking of how to get you involved. So it's a symbiotic relationship, yes, and know what you stand for. I know the multiplier effect of your association. So I'll be needing you closely.
Presido National Association of Edo State Students, Comrade Aliyu Amuda, and National Coordinator of the group, Comrade Momo Mashood, come talk say their visit na to appreciate the contribution of the Deputy Governor towards nation building and come also to raise salute to Omobayo for an open door policy, immense exposure, wisdom, professional experience, and love for fellow Nigerians to make our country a better place for everybody.
For the quality of true leadership which you have demonstrated to the general public of Edo State, and your open door policy, we, the National Association of Edo State Students, have decided to come to pay a courtesy visit like this and to as well use the same opportunity to reward you for the quality of true leadership which you have demonstrated in your capacity to the entire Edo State.
I use this medium, since the press is here, to appreciate the executive governor of the state for the kind gesture he has been executing to Nigerians all through the 7.5 years.
Make una not forget, say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.